So as we know that in last class we studied what is center of gravity or center of mass. So if we consider any kind of random object, so it is made up of hundreds of particles. Is it yes or no? So hundreds of particles it is made up of. So each particle will be having as we'll consider as a equal mass. So always the equal weight. So always this weight is acting towards the what direction? Towards the what direction?
Downwards direction.
Towards to the downwards direction. So those who joined today alone will be having little difficulty. So now try to understand. So you can consider any kind of body. Every body is made up of more number of particles. So each particle is having some weight. So this weight is always acting which direction? Is always acting the downward direction. Okay, downward direction. So now this each particle will be having some weight called as small w. This particle and this particle and this particle are like every particle. Now, if we get the entire body, like as I told you, our body, the center point of our body, the midpoint of our body is called as novel. The same way, if we take every entire body will be having a whole weight of the body will be at a particular point where we can balance that entire body not to fall in any direction. So that point is only I will consider as C. Center of gravity is the main point. Whole body weight is depends on that point. That point is only we will consider as capital W. Center of gravity or weight. So as I told you in the previous class, capital W is equals to, what is that, anybody can tell? Mr. Kaushik, Harish? Yes, please. Capital W is equals to, what is that? Weight of sum of individual particles. That is what? W plus W plus W plus W plus so on till W. Till how many times, Mitakshri? How many times?
N times, sir.
N times, because each body is made up of different number of particles. So we will take it as a N times. This is what we used to say is that center of gravity, as I told you. Now, for irregular objects, center of gravity will be present maybe inside or outside, whatever it is. So we have to track, we cannot find exact location. But if we'll take the regular objects, then they will be having a particular center of gravity where entire mass can be, entire weight can be depends on it. So for example, if we take the triangle, let me take the triangle. So either it is having center of gravity at inside or outside, let me check it. Now if we take the triangle, you tell me, so where the center of gravity will come, Hari, inside or outside? From every corner, if I'll draw the line, just observe. I'm drawing the line from the every corner. Now, observe very carefully where the center of gravity will come, Mitakshri. By this time, you can understand. Where the center of gravity will come?
Inside, sir.
It will come inside. So, the whole weight of the triangle depends on at the center. So that point is called as, this point is called as, what is that point called as? C. That is only called as center of gravity. So that is what you have to remember. So every object will be having a center of gravity either inside the object or outside the object. Understand, Hari Zairaj? Kaushik? Akila?
Yes, sir.
So that is what you have to remember. Any kind of object you can take. So if I take for example, circle. So what is the center of gravity for a circle? Everybody? What is center of gravity? You can draw the lines. So as we know, it will be having hundreds of lines we can draw. So wherever they will intersect. So that is what is the Center of gravity. So for center of gravity of circle or sphere, where they will intersect, guys? Exactly. Where they will intersect? You should tell me where they will intersect. Mitakshri?
At center, sir.
Center. So that point is called as what? Basically, we can say what point it is. Center of a circle. Yes or no? So that is what it is. Here we can say radius. So in all the directions, it will be same. So that we can say that point is called as, what is that point? For circle, what is that point? Center of gravity. Understand? Now, as I told you, this all the objects, center of gravity is coming inside only. Of course, they are all regular objects. Now, last class, one example I told you. Do you remember, Hari? What is that example, please?
So boomerang, sir.
Yes. If you remember the boomerangs, now observe, for them alone, the center of gravity will come outside the body. Let me see where the center of gravity will come. So boomerangs will be, means what is the shape of the boomerangs, as I told you? What is the shape of them? Everybody?
Like L, sir.
L shape. Okay. So there will be a L-shaped objects. So let me take, if you want to understand, so there is no L-shaped object. That's fine. Let me myself, I will draw, so that we can. No, it's not possible. So I will draw with normal. So it will be L-shaped object. So let us take, basically it will be like this. Now, if you observe very carefully, now I want to find the center of gravity of this one. So observe very carefully where it will come. Notice it. So now from all the corners, you have to extend it. We will be having three different corners. Yes or no, Hari? This is what it is. Now here outside it will come. That is why I am drawing with what lines? What lines? Dotted lines. Next, from this corner it will come. And from here it will come dotted lines. And from this corner it will come. It will be dotted lines. So it will be meet at what point? Outside or inside? Yes, please. Outside. So the center of gravity is located outside for objects. So the center of gravity CE, actually we can say CG is the center of gravity. Center of gravity. Simply if I want to say balancing, if I want to balance the object, then from which point, what is a suitable point to hold entire body? That is what we can say center of gravity. Now you tell me, if I want to balance the cycle tire, so where the location is present? Anybody can tell me where the center of gravity is present? I want to balance the cycle tire. Anybody can tell? This is what my cycle tire. So where it is present? Inside or outside? All of you should tell me. This is what my cycle tire. All of you. Yes, please. Mitakshri, Divya, call to Divya, Mitakshri. So tell me now, please. Gokul, this is what my cycle tire or my vehicle tire. Now you tell me where I should get the center of gravity to balance this tire. Anybody? Nimish, Gokul. By this time we can understand. So if I hold at any point on the tire, is it possible to balance that, Hari Jairas? No. So where I should hold? I have to point so that you can see. It will be inside, not outside the body. It will be inside, because if I'll extend the lines, understanding from any point, so all will meet at a particular point, imaginary point. That is what we can say at the axle. For cycle tubes and all, middle will be having something. That is what we used to call it as axle. AXLE. So axle is the center of gravity where entire cycle wheel can be balanced. Do you understand, everybody? Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That is what. So this is what is center of gravity, which we studied in the last class. So I hope everybody understand this. So now let us comes to here. as we know, we derived the formula for center of acceleration due to gravity, and as well as we derived the formulas for you can take for example this mass, weight, and as well as free fall, everything. So let us make that one everything, and we are going to derive the relation between weight on object of a moon and as well as weight on object on Earth. So please tell me, what is the relationship between weight on Earth and as well as weight on? First of all, you should learn weight formula. What do you mean by weight formula, everybody? Arun Kailash, what I told you. What is the formula for weight? Tell me. Arun, I'm asking you only. Can you hear me? Yeah, tell me what is the formula for weight? Yes, Sai, Hari.
Sir, mass into acceleration due to gravity.
See, that boy will never say. So weight is equals to mass of the object into what is that? Acceleration due to gravity. So that is what it is. But you cannot say that, Hari. Arun Kailash.
So W is equal to mg.
What you are saying now, after that Hari said. So weight is equals to mass into acceleration due to gravity. So what is the symbol of weight? W. So as we know, W is equals to mass. Will represent with the m, small m basically, mass into gravity. This is what we can say. So now, Mr. Hari said us, what is the gravitational force of Earth? I am asking. What is the gravitational force of Earth? Mitakshri?
9.8 meter per second square.
9.8 meter per second square. Same way, we know that gravitational force of moon. What is the gravitational force of moon, Mr. Kaushik? Gravitational force of moon. Yes, please. What is the gravitational force of moon?
Sir, 1.63
0.63 meter per second square. Okay.
square, sir.
That is what you have to remember. And as I told you, what is the relationship between gravitational force of Earth and gravitational force of Moon? Mitakshri, Harish, Gokul.
Square gravitation of Earth is 6 times more than
Yes.
gravitational force
6
of Moon.
times
Sir.
more than the gravitational force of Moon. Or I can say gravitational force of Moon. Nimish, you also can understand this. Nothing is big. Everybody. Gravitational force of Moon. Now 6 will come this side. It will become 1/6. 1/6 times of gravitational force of Earth. Okay. Now in our today's class, we are going to prove that what is the weight of an object on Moon. That is what we are seeing. So as I told you, if we'll go, how this 1/6, as I told you, the proof we are going to know. If, as I told you, gravity is 1/6 of Earth, gravity on Moon is 1/6 of Earth, then we should prove that how it is possible, how much it is. So now, let us solve that one. Today, in our today's class, as I told you, W is weight. Weight is equals to mass into gravity. Mass into gravity. So gravity is directly proportional or inversely proportional to gravity? Weight. Anybody? Everyone.
Direct.
Weight is directly proportional to gravity. Understand, Mr. Harish Balaji? Directly proportional. Both are directly proportional. Understanding? What do you mean by directly proportional, Mr. Nimish? Mr. Arun Kailash? Directly proportional. If weight is increases, then G also what? Increases. If weight is decreases, then G also, what will happen, guys? G also decrease. First, know the names. W means weight of the object. M means mass of the object. G means acceleration due to gravity, and everybody must know acceleration due to gravity of Earth is 9.8 meter per second square, and acceleration due to gravity of Moon is 1.63 meter per second square. Till here, anybody is having any doubt? Please let me know, or else we'll proceed. How that 1/6 will come, we'll prove in our today's class. Is it okay, Harijeras, Kaushik? That is what. So let us comes to the here. So please, all of you remember that as we know, at certain places weight will become zero. Can you tell me at what point weight of the object will become zero? We know mass of a body will never be zero, but weight of a body will be zero at particular point. Anyone?
At the
Sir, at
center of
center.
Earth, sir.
At the center. So remember, at the center of Earth or center of Moon, doesn't matter. So G at the center. If we'll take, this is what the Earth, this is what the center of the Earth inside. So G is equals to 0. If G is equals to 0, then what about the weight? What about the weight? Weight
Weight
also, weight also is equals to what?
0.
Understand? Present Dakshri? This is 0 meter per second square and this is 0 newtons. Any doubt, everybody? So at the center of the earth, G value is 0. And as we know that, so that weight of the object is also 0. That is what we already know it. So now, let us come back. We will prove that one in our today's class. So all of you keep heading. Weight of an object on the moon. Weight of an object on the moon. Let us see how we will do it. Shall we solve, Hari?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So as I told you, if gravity becomes 0, weight also becomes 0. Now, gravity decreases by 6 times, then weight also decreases by how many times? Weight also decreases by how many times? Yes, everybody. 6 times. That is what you must get. So that relation should happen. So how it will happen, we'll discuss now. So just a minute. I think the screen is not, it is coming some other thing. So all of you keep reading. Weight of an object on the moon. Weight of an object on the moon. So with whom we have to compare? With whom we have to compare? With whom we have to compare, guys? Weight of an object on Earth. So we have to find the relation now. So please keep reading. Weight of an object on moon. So now this is what very important one. So observe, if gravity is decreases by how many times? Decreases by 6 times. From where to where? From Earth to moon. Earth to moon. Then weight also decreases by how many times, Hari? Weight also decreases by 6 times. So that is what you have to remember. So directly I know the relation that weight on Earth is equals to how many times more than a moon? Gokul, Akilan, weight on Earth is how many times more than moon? Yes, please. 6 times more than weight on moon. Or weight on moon is equals to what, guys? Everybody should respond. Weight on moon is equals to what? Mr. Arun Kailash? 1/6 times of weight on Earth. So this is what we have to prove today, which is very important even in our NCERT book also. So let us solve this one. So if you want to derive that one, we need, let me consider a weight of an object on the moon is the force with which the moon attracts the object. Is it yes or no? Everybody, what is the force exerted by the moon on the object is called as weight of the object. What is the weight of the moon, weight of the earth? Whatever the force attracted by the earth on an object is called as weight of an object. Now, as you all people knows, let me consider weight of an earth, weight of the body on the earth. Let object is some object having mass m. What is the mass? Mass m. Understand, Hari? Okay. Now, please let me know. Now, what is the weight of the object on this earth? I want to know the things. Everybody. Weight on earth is equals to, please respond. What is the weight on earth? This body. Formula, tell me. The weight of the object, the weight of the body on the earth. I want the formula. Anybody can tell? Weight on earth is equals to, what is the formula? Mass of the body into acceleration due to gravity of earth. Is it right or wrong? Anybody can tell? Hey, say yes or no. You understand or not? Also, I don't know what I can say. Acceleration due to gravity. By whom, guys? By whom? Gravity or whom? Surface of earth. Is it yes? Harizera? Akilan? Mitakshri, can you tell me why I am using a word here, surface of the earth? Harish, anybody, let me see who will say. Why I am using surface of the earth?
So because gravitational force is maximum at surface of it. Sir.
Yes, because when you are going up also G decreases, when you are going down also G decreases. Where it is maximum? At the surface, So all of you should remember, surface of earth, G value is maximum. What is the G value? Hari, at the surface of the earth, 9.8 meter per second square. That is what we have been done. Okay. Now, so this is the formula. Weight on earth at the surface, that is what? Mass of the object into gravitational force, acceleration due to gravity on surface of earth. Now, let us consider the acceleration due to gravity on the earth is. Can you tell me what is the acceleration due to gravity on earth? Formula. I want formula, Mitakshri. I'm not asking anything. What is the G formula? Basically, those who don't know also, you can learn later. Learn the formula. Common formula of G, small g is equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square. Okay. R means radius of the planet. Radius of the planet. Nimish, are you understanding, Nimish? M means mass of the planet. Mass of the planet. Is it okay, Nimish? Akilan? Okay. This is the formula. Please remember, all of you. Small g is equals to capital G into capital M divided by R square. They all knows the derivation as you all joined today. So you people will not understand, but sometime that is also I will teach you once again, or else you have to watch. So now this is the common formula for every planet. Maybe a moon or maybe a sun or maybe earth, doesn't matter for us. Now we are comparing only moon and earth. Now, can you tell me what is the G formula for earth? Yes, please speak, everybody. G formula for earth. What will come?
Capital G.
Capital G into capital ME. What is mean by ME? Anybody can tell me? I written ME. What is that? Yes, please. Mass of earth. Mr. Arun Taylor cannot speak. Akilan, Gokul, everybody divided by RE square. What do you mean by RE? Everybody. What do you mean by RE?
Radius of it.
Radius of the earth. Okay, that is what it is. So now let me consider this is the equation 1. Is it okay, Hari? And this is the equation 2. Now substitute equation 1 in 2 and tell me what will happen. You should not ask me, you have to tell me. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. And please let me know what is the equation. Yes, Mr. Hari? Weight on earth is equals to weight on earth. I am going to substitute in place of G. In place of G, I am going to keep this one. I am not going to do anything, nothing. So please tell me what is the formula will come. Weight on earth is equals to small m will come. Small m will come into, in place of G, what I can write, Mitakshri? In place of G. Yes, please. In place of G, what I can write? This one I can write. G into ME divided by radius of earth whole square. Yes or no, Hari?
Yes, sir.
So capital capital ME divided by RE square. So this is what, let me take equation number 3. Okay. Now I'm going to make box for this because we are going to find the relationship between weight of earth and weight of moon. Same way, can you tell me what is the formula for similarly? You can write similarly. Can anybody tell me the weight of the body on the surface of moon? Yes, Mitakshri. Formula. Harish Jairaj. Kaushik, answer Kaushik. Don't be silent. If you want to improve, you have to speak. Body on the surface of the moon. I want the answer. Surface of the moon. Anybody? What is the formula? Tell me. Weight on moon. Weight on moon is equals to mass into gravitational force of moon. Is it right or wrong? Everybody.
Yes, sir.
So that is what it is. Yes or no? Yes, Gokul. Acceleration due to gravity on the moon, guys. On the surface of moon. That is what it is. Now, what is the acceleration due to gravity on the moon formula? Just now I told you. Moon is equal, let me take this is equation number 4 and tell me acceleration due to gravity on moon formula. Tell me please. We know what is the G formula, guys? Capital G into mass of moon divided by square of radius of moon. Is it right or wrong? Will you accept it? So I will take it as a GMM divided by RM square. Yes, Mitakshri? Let me take that is equation number 5. Now, substitute equation 5 in equation 4. Can you tell me what is the equation will come? It's just substitution only, nothing I am doing. Anybody? Substitute. You have to take notes also properly. Substitute equation 5 in equation 4. Please let me know. Mr. Hari Jaira, you should tell me what is the equation now. I want the response from you. Are you there in meeting? Can you able to answer or not? Arun Kailash? Already I told you for earth. You cannot tell me for moon. Weight on moon is equals to mass into, in place of G I can write this one, G into moon, mass of moon divided by square of radius of moon. Yes, Mitakshri, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me take this is equation number 6. Is it okay, Mitakshri? Nobody will respond, only Harish and Mitakshri. I will teach them. That's all, no other will do. Now, observe very carefully, we want to find the relationship between weight on earth and weight on moon. So, let us divide equation, I think it is equation what? 3. Equation 3 and equation 6. So, write that. Dividing equation 3 by equation 6. Dividing equation 3 by equation 6. So what we'll get? Anybody can tell? Equation 3 divided by equation 6 means. So you can see what is the equation 3? Anybody read that equation 3? Weight on earth. And equation 6, weight on moon. So I will get the formula. Weight on earth divided by weight on moon is equals to. Yes, sir, tell me, Rahari. Let them, they won't speak. Why I should worry? Their life, their headache. Kaushik, can you answer? What is the weight of earth? Okay, so I will only see it. So weight on earth is equals to small m into, we have been done, capital G into mass of earth divided by radius of earth whole square. Next, divided by weight on moon is equals to mass m into capital G into mass of moon divided by radius of moon whole square. Yes, Mitakshri, is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now let me see here. If you'll apply mathematics as we know that a by b divided by c by d. How I can write, Hari? Can I write as a by b into d by c? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Everybody, will you accept that? Please. So that is what will happen. So I'll modify the equation. It will be turned into small m into capital G into capital ME divided by RE square into this Rn will come up. Rn square, radius of moon square divided by m into G into mass of moon. So now can you tell me what is the common things will get cancelled here? Yes, Hari?
So mass and moon is
Small m will get cancelled. That is what mass of the object. M means mass of object. Please remember. Mass of object. So I'm keeping one object on earth and I'm keeping one object on moon, and I'm comparing their weight. I'm keeping one object on earth, one object on moon, and what is their mass variation we are finding. So mass of object will get cancelled. Next one.
G, sir.
Capital G and capital G will get cancelled. So what is the remaining things? Everybody tell me. Weight
R
on
square.
earth divided by weight on moon is equals to, what is remaining? Yes, please. Mass of earth. Can I write this one as separately, Hari? Divided by mass of moon. Can I write it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Next. Into, I can write radius of moon square divided by radius of earth square. Is it right? Any doubt, Mitakshri? Now, can you tell me in mathematics, can I write a square by b square, which is equals to a by b whole square? Can I write it? Yes, Mr. Gokul, Akilan. Akilan, you also become day by day very bad, Akilan. And Gokul also. Gokul at least before good, but nowadays nothing. I don't know, Kaushik and Arun means I left them because they will never listen my words. Why you people are also like this? So tell me same way how I can write. That is what. So mass of earth divided by mass of moon into, can I write this one as radius of moon divided by radius of earth whole square? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is what it is. So weight on earth divided by weight on moon is equals to formula. This is what the formula. So let me take, this is equation number 7. Okay. Now, one by one you tell me, we all knows that what is the mass of earth? Anybody can tell? We know, I want mass of earth, formula, value.
10 power 24, sir.
Yes, very good, Hari. 5.98 into, or else we can take 6. If you are comfortable, you can take 6 also. Directly, nothing will happen. So 6 into 10 power 24 kilogram. Next, mass of moon. Anybody? Mass of moon. Yes, please. 7.36 into 10 power 22 kg. You must learn. Same way, radius of earth What is the radius of Earth? Radius of Earth 6.37 into 10 power 6 meters. Same way, radius of Moon. Mr. Haris Balaji, are you writing everything? At least can you able to understand what I am speaking? Radius of Moon is equals to 1.74. If you are silent, I will never leave. Remember, 1.74 into 10 power 6 meters. This is what the values which all should learn. Mass of Earth, radius of Earth. We all should know these values. It is mandatory, should learn these values. So please kindly learn. So mass of Earth and mass of Moon, same way. Radius of the Earth and the radius of the Moon. Everybody must have these values. So these values, if you substitute